Today we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the Wacker Neuson PS2 500 2-inch submersible pump. This pump was built for the demands of construction, mining, municipality, and farm applications. Inside is a 2/3 HP motor and a 32-inch cord that you can plug straight into a wall outlet. It can handle solids up to 1/4 of an inch for fast dewatering. It has built-in thermal protection which helps to prevent motor damage. This is everything that comes included in the box. Thank you so much for watching. You can find this pump along with other OEM parts over on our website, gciron.com.